Afrobarometer is a Pan-African non-partisan survey research network that measures public attitudes on economic, political and social matters in Africa. The network has for more than 20 years conducted surveys on various topics and been ranked one of the world's institutional collaboration for data. Participants at the Round 10 planning meeting included Afrobarometer's core partners, national partners from 40 African countries and supporting units. The 5-day program will have a series of plenary and working group sessions to discuss and design survey instruments and methodologies, data quality assurance measures, and results dissemination strategies. The chief executive of Afrobarometer, Mr. Joseph Asonka, said if democracy was indeed a government of people, by the people, and for the people, then the people's voice and life experiences must be considered in decisions that affect their lives. A former president of Liberia, Madam Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, said lack of timely data has led to the implementation of ineffective policies, misallocation of resources, and inequalities on the continent.
Many countries on the continent lack the necessary tools and expertise to collect, manage, and analyze data effectively. This has led to data unavailability, to delays, to serious consequences for policymakers and development practitioners.
A founding member and Afrobarometer board chair, Professor Jim Abuidi, said inadequate funding for surveys across Africa is a challenge to the organization.
This capacity to challenge ourselves, this capacity to rise from a low 20 countries to 35 countries, but it also said something about the Afrobarometer that, we should aim high, and they would always succeed.
Afrobarometer says it will complement the efforts of policymakers, opinion leaders and academia to educate the public on topical issues such as climate change, the transition to the green economy, energy and food security, and capacity building for media personnel.